Hi guys, I'm Wills. I'm a community youth worker for Denbighshire Youth Service. Just have a quick update for you. Following recent government advice on the lockdown, we have decided to close all of our youth centres and youth clubs from across Denbighshire and to suspend for now all of our face-to-face work with young people. This will include our detach and outreach services as well, so you won't be seeing us out in the community as you usually would. As we enter this period of lockdown, we youth workers are in lockdown as well. So we're also in isolation, but isolation doesn't necessarily have to mean loneliness. So what we want to do is we want to set up an online community with you guys. So we're going to be doing a live stream YouTube thing, 6 p.m. every day for everybody to come in and connect with us, share your stories, start this online conversation for us all to be creative and have a bit of fun during this period as well. So if you follow the links below here now, so at DCC Youth Service, find us on Twitter and Facebook and all those things. And let's get the conversation started.